Hi there, I wanted to show you how to replace a bump stop on a Chrysler Town and Country 2005. Alright, this also probably applies to Dodge vehicles. Alright, this is what it looks like, and this prevents the suspension from coming down too low and probably damaging things like, your brake lines and so on. So this is what the original one looked like. Right, it was pretty broken up. It didn't look very good. This one has a metal attachment part, whereas the replacement from Crown Industries was just all foam. Right, to get this out, it was pretty well stuck. So what I had to do was take a chisel and a hammer and chisel and knock it until it slackened. I also used WD-40, and it probably took me a lot longer than I expected, probably an hour to do the both of them. So this is the hole for it. Alright, and all I had to do was, after I finally got it out, basically just screw in the new one. And that was basically it. Just be careful when you're taking these out that there are lines right behind it. You don't want to hit those if you have to knock it to get the old one out.